today we are going to go over the verbs gustar and encantar. You guys have notes that corresponds with this video. Please make sure you are filling in the notes at the same time that you are watching it. If you need to pause at any moment, please feel free to do so. First, we are going to start with a review of our verb gustar. You guys saw gustar earlier in the year when we talked about liking to do something. For example, me gusta bailar. I like to dance. You also saw gustar when we talked about not liking to do something. So, for example, no me gusta cantar. I don't like to sing. So remember, gustar is a different type of verb and it is only conjugated in two different forms. So it is only conjugated in the third person singular, so the él, ella, usted form, or the third person plural, the ellos, ellas, ustedes form. Now remember, when we conjugate the verb gustar, we are conjugating it off the item that we like, not off of the person. So let's look at our examples. First, we have me gusta la pizza. Again, since pizza is singular, gustar is going to be conjugated in the singular form, so it is gusta. Versus me gustan las manzanas. Las manzanas is plural, therefore it needs to be conjugated in the third person plural, so it is me gustan. Now we are going to look at a new verb, which is encantar. So encantar means to love, talking about an item, not a person. So again, we do not use encantar to say that you love a person. So just like gustar, encantar is only conjugated in the third person singular, so encanta, or the third person plural, encantan. Remember, when we conjugate these verbs, we are conjugating based on the item that someone likes or loves and not the subject. So, talking about our subjects, so far we only know how to say I like or I do not like. That me tells us that we are saying I like, so me gusta or no me gusta, I don't like. So what about the other subjects? We want to say maybe we like or he likes, maybe they like. So we are going to look at those subjects next. So we have me, which you've already seen. So me gusta, I like. Me encanta, I love. Next we have te. Te gusta, you like. Te encanta, you love. Then we have le. Le can stand for he, she, or you formal. So, le gusta could be he, she, or you like. Le encanta is he, she, or you love. Then we have nos. Nos gusta, we like. Nos encanta, we love. Then we have our Spain version. Os gusta, you all like. Os encanta, you all love. Lastly, we have les. Les gusta can mean they or you all like. Les encanta means they or you all love. So looking at some examples of these, you guys have this on your notes. Please make sure that you write down one example of each subject. So we will start off with me. Me gustan las manzanas. I like apples. Me encantan las naranjas. I love oranges. Te gusta la ensalada. You like salad. Te encanta la ensalada de frutas. You love fruit salad. Le gustan las fresas. He, she, or you like strawberries. Le encanta la pizza. He, she, or you love pizza. Then we have nos gusta el perrito caliente. We like hot dogs. Nos encanta la salchicha. We love sausage. Les gustan los huevos. This could mean they or you all like eggs. Les encanta el tocino. They or you all love bacon. So when we're looking at our examples, how do we know if it says lay, if we're talking about he or she? Same thing with les, if it's they or you all. So in order to do this, we have things called emphasizers. These help identify the person that we are talking about. Typically, we only use these in the third person singular, so for lay, and in the third person plural for les. However, all of them have emphasizers. You guys have already seen the one for may before, a mí. We learned this earlier in the year. So when we're using emphasizers, you are going to have the letter a, so a, plus either a person's name or a pronoun. And then we're going to have your verb gustar or encantar and the rest of the sentence. So looking at our pronouns, we can see if we want to emphasize that I like something, we would say a mí me gusta, and then fill in the sentence. If we want to say that you like something and emphasize that, it's going to be a ti te gusta. Next we have a él le gusta. So this tells us that he likes it, or he likes whatever we are talking about. If we wanted to say that she likes something, we would include a ella le gusta. If we wanted to say that you formal like something, we would say a usted le gusta. Then for nosotros, if we want to emphasize that we are the ones who like this, we would say a nos gusta. For the Spain version, we would emphasize it saying a os gusta. If we want to say that they like something, talking about all males or a group of males and females, we would say a ellos les gusta. If we want to say they like, we would say a ellas les gusta, if we were talking about all females. And lastly, if we want to say that you all like something, we would say a ustedes les gusta. So now we are going to look at a few examples with these. So, a mí me encanta el té helado. I love iced tea. A ti te gusta la hamburguesa. You like hamburgers. A ella le gusta el queso. She likes cheese. You can also put in a name there. So you could say, a María le gusta el queso. A él le encanta la pizza. He loves pizza. Again, you can put a name instead of saying él. So you could say, a Pablo le encanta la pizza. Our next example is, a nos gusta el yogur. We like yogurt. A ustedes les gusta el pan tostado. You all like toast. A ellos les encanta el plátano. They love plantains. So those were some examples with our emphasizers. We are going to practice with our verbs gustar and encantar today.